it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking for a pet resistant, machine washable, lightweight, low pile, boho gorgeous rug? I got this one from my mom from Babovid because it checked all of those boxes. Number one, she has a very busy small dog that is inside most of the time, and on previous rugs that she's had, his claws just completely ruined it. But because this rug doesn't have loops and it's low pile, it has been perfect. He can run all over it and there's no damage at all. Secondly, this is machine washable and lightweight, which means I can pick it up, put it in the washing machine. Thirdly, just look at these vibrant colors. My mom wanted something that would brighten up her space, and this has been absolutely perfect. We got the one that has the green background, and it has just these super brilliant pops of color, the orange, pink, browns, reds, greens, everything. This could go with so many different colors in your home, and it's just gonna bring a smile to your face like it does to my mom. Babovid has other colors of this rug to choose from and lots of different sizes too. We are so pleased with it, and that's our point of view.